Hey, how's it going, guys? So if you guys haven't seen me for a little while, it's because I haven't had these in a long time. These were how I was recording a lot of my videos, at least like closer towards the end. These are the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Gen 2's, and they're pretty good glasses. But one thing I'll say about these, make sure they need to be charged. I can see it. It's glowing red. But one thing about these glasses is they're perform well. They record for I think 3 minute intervals, which is decent enough to make little short clips and edit videos and everything on YouTube. And um, yeah, these glasses are amazing. But I will say with these, they are extremely fragile, like extremely fragile. And I'm gonna wind up taking the lenses out of these because I actually don't like the lenses in them, but I'll keep them in there for right now. These are the Meta Gen 2's, and they're pretty good on what they do. They record everything pretty well, but they break very easily. I had my first pair, which I like my first pair a little bit better. I don't like this material that's on the side, but I'm gonna get these lenses replaced, and I'll just have them or my actual glasses place, put them in America's Best. That's what I'm with. They look really nice, but I mean, they are extremely fragile. I mean, to the point where it's like, if you don't have a warranty on these glasses, you will have trouble. You will have trouble getting them fixed, and you better hope that it's a return policy on them to the point where they can accept them and you get a refund. So I got mine through Bloomingdale's, my first one, my first pair. I didn't have the tint. Mine were transitions, which I actually like those better. I don't like these because apparently these have the already tinted, and I didn't want them already tinted like that. So I'm going to get them replaced because I need prescription anyway. But nevertheless, everything was fine on them. It's just, they charge pretty quick. Everything was right on them. But these I have a problem with because they're so fragile, and it has nothing to do with it has nothing to really do with the glasses. I guess like the quality or nothing being cheap. What it is just a lot of the electrical components and everything, connectivity and cameras and all that stuff is nice, but it's extremely cheap as far as like the wear and everything. So just be mindful that mine cracked around right here, and they were a nightmare. I mean, absolutely the worst. I had to jump through hula hoops just to try to get them fixed. So now I did get a second pair. I got mine returned. I got my refund. But what I am going to do is now all that stuff is like pretty much over with. I got a warranty on them. So now it's 2-year warranty, $50. Just get it. I mean, if something that is an investment like this, you're spending at least $400 for these, for the Gen 2's, which is hefty. But if you make a lot of content, you create content like I do, and you use them like how they should be used, yeah, it's worth it. It should be worth it. Just make sure anything that you do, you put them in a case, take care of them. I mean, I literally babied mine. I mean, every so often they would be out, but nothing happened. And then, I literally hit my head on the side of the couch and the whole entire rim cracked. So it's like with one mistake, one gigantic, not even gigantic, I would say that's like a moderate to low moderate mistake, and they pretty much messed up. So I'm gonna do like a little review on these were different from my other ones, but they got the little Ray-Ban insignia on the side right here. They had them on the top. These are a little bit different, but these are actually not what I wanted. I didn't want the shade already in it. I wanted transitions, but that's fine. I'm gonna get the lens replaced anyway, so it shouldn't even really matter like that. But yeah, I just wanted to make a little video on why I hadn't been making any content, why I hadn't uploaded anything, and yeah, this is pretty much why. So should come with a cloth. These pair don't even come with a cloth. And they were supposed to be solar green, and I don't think these are solar green. So yeah, it shouldn't even really matter like that. I drove like an hour and some change away. I'm not gonna drive back because I'm gonna get the lenses replaced anyway. So yeah, but yeah, just make sure if you have these glasses, make sure that you keep up with them, because they get a warranty on them. Because you can keep up with them and everything, and some stuff still happen to them. So yeah, I'll do another review on them a little bit later, but as of right now, that's pretty much the gist of it. Yeah, they seem a little different from my other ones though. Everything is the same, but they're different at the same time. Like the case seems a little bit darker, and this is like the silky, like metallic, like glossy. My other ones was like flat, plain black, and then they transition. I don't like I think they gave me the wrong pair. They set me up with the wrong pair because I did not want these flat like this. I wanted solar green, and these are not solar green. These are already dark. So, yeah, we'll see. I'll do a little update and get the lenses replaced and everything. But thanks for watching.